Hi, I'm Ed, also known as Cud Cooks, and I'm here to show you how to cook confidently with the 316 series stainless steel frying pan. The key things to remember are timing and temperature. Finesse those, and stainless steel can become one of the most versatile tools in your kitchen. It's all about having a little patience at the start and getting your pan properly preheated. So first, you're going to place your pan on the hob and ensure it sits flat and steady. The 316 series distributes heat completely evenly. That means that your food gets consistent cooking throughout. So we're going to begin with a medium heat, and it's important to do this in a dry pan without adding oil. Unlike non-stick alternatives, stainless steel performs best when it's gently brought up to temperature. A good general rule is to avoid high heat unless you're boiling water. A simple, reliable way to know when your pan is ready is using the water drop test, otherwise known as the Leidenfrost effect. When you've reached the right temperature, you'll see a bead of water dancing across the pan. Here's what to look out for and how to get it just right every time. So start by adding a drop of water into the pan. If the water evaporates almost immediately, the pan's not quite ready yet, so you should continue heating. If the water breaks into many tiny beads or vanishes instantly into steam, that's when you know your pan is overheated. So now you're going to remove the pan from the heat and reduce the temperature. Try the water drop test again before cooking to avoid your food burning or sticking. So this is what you're looking for when the water beads and dances across the surface. That tells you the pan is perfectly preheated and you're ready to add in some oil. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see some more instructional content like this, head over to either our website or our YouTube channel.